So you're posting content, you're delivering value, and yet you're still struggling to get clients. You know you have a powerful offer, you're getting results for your clients, but still, why is no one buying? This is because you are missing 3 crucial psychological triggers that turn viewers into raving fans, into buyers. People who are already sold. They hop on the call and they're ready to buy. And in this video, I'm going to be breaking down what's worked for multiple clients like Dan Bolton, who made over $1 million off the back of his content. No funnel, no ads, no even sales calls. He did it all through the power of his content. Or Patrice, who made over $30,000 off the back of one video. And Corey, who tripled his business all from posting content. None of these people ran ads, ran fancy funnels, some of them not even having to run sales calls. And so if you want to learn these 3 psychological triggers, I'm going to walk you through them in this video right now. So stick around because you won't want to miss this. Most people think that content is strictly about giving value. If I teach more, if I give more, eventually someone will say yes. But here's the truth. People don't buy just because they understand you. They buy from belief. And belief isn't built through tips, tricks, or strategies. Belief is built through psychological triggers that bring out emotion to buy. Because people buy from emotion and they justify with logic. Because when someone decides to buy your program or your product, they're not just buying the thing, they're buying into you, into your unique way, into the logistics of your offer. And if your content doesn't help them understand and shift their beliefs in those 3 areas, it will be impossible to convert someone, especially a viewer, into a buyer. So let's break this down. Trigger number 1 is the sale of you, the personal sale. Before anyone can buy from you, they have to have trust and belief that you, the messenger, has what it takes to help them. You can have the best program, the flashiest course, some amazing case studies, but if they don't believe in you, they won't follow you. This is about your conviction, your presence, even your energy. You see, some people might be repelled from the energy that I give in my videos. And that's okay, because it's not meant for everyone. It's meant for someone very specific. So how you are perceived in your content is just as important as the content itself. Because your clients, your prospective clients, are not just buying at the results that you have done. They're buying into who you can help them become. And if you are not a leader, if you are not someone they can follow and believe in, it will be near impossible for them to buy from you. Think of the X Factor or American Idol, all those popular shows. It's very clear who is auditioning and who is the judge. You know that the person auditioning, right, is maybe nervous, is putting themselves on stage. And what does the judge do? No one is in question that they are experts, that they are the best at what they do. And so you need to shift from being someone who is auditioning for clients and be the judge. You need to show up like you don't need them, that you are judging them and they are planning to work with you, not that you are trying to get them to work with me. Trigger number 2 is having them believe in your way. Do I believe that your approach makes sense to me? Most content gives tips and tricks, but great content, strong content, gives conviction and belief that their way is the best way for them. It's a better path, a new way of viewing the world and doing things differently. So the new way that I am teaching, that I am helping people with, is understand that you don't need funnels, you don't need ads, you don't need complexity, you don't need to hustle hard to get clients. You can adopt a new marketing model, a model that is easy, that is fun, that is fulfilling, that actually impacts people while making you money, while getting you clients consistently, and is not draining of your energy, but actually giving you energy so you can go out and live the life that you started your business for. That is why we did it. That is the conviction and the belief that I'm shifting. So if people are not bought on the belief in your way, in that way, they will unsubscribe. They will not listen, and that's okay, because I only want people who want that new way, who want that new life, that new way of doing business and marketing. So this means calling out the old way, calling out of the outdated funnels and ads and hustling, cold DMing and always focusing on the numbers, the analytics, and be more into the new way, the creative, the fun, the fulfilling, the actually easy way. And then showing a clear path that makes sense to them. And this is what stops people from scrolling. It starts getting people to click on your videos and consume your content because they are actually being sold on the way you do things, not the tips and tricks. Trigger number 3, and the most logical one, because people buy from emotion and justify with logic. So this number 3 is the last and arguably most important, is the confidence in your results, confidence in your offer. And this is when people actually ask themselves, can I actually do this? Does this make sense for me to do? So at this stage, they should already trust in you, and they should already believe in your method, your way of doing things. And this is the final step, the final bridge that they must go over in order to buy. And what this needs to answer is, what is it like working with you? Here's what working with me has done for others. And here's why this simple, repeatable system will work for you. It's not about a sales pitch or persuading people or convincing people. It's about just putting it out on the table and showing them what it's like to work with you in a very easy, logical way. It's about clarity. It's not about this confusion and, what bonuses and stuff like that you need to give. Like, I understand, because the Bible of all offers talked about bonuses and stacking and all this thing. And all it's done is created confusion in the market. And it's very clear. Just say what it is you're gonna do. So if you work with me, I'm going to help you build $1 million content engine, a system that will bring you clients consistently every single week, day, and month, and something that you can be proud of, something you can be happy with, something that is fun, fulfilling, and actually gives you freedom. Since adopting this and actually helping others adopt this, it is crazy the results we're getting, not just in the revenue, but in the model and how people are actually running their business. And they flip the script from actually having a business that involved their life to be surrounded by their business, and now having a model where their business is fueling their life, fueling the life that they want, whether they sleep until noon and they surf all the time, or they are impacting people and public speaking, or whatever it is. This marketing model, this way of doing things, is allowing people to design a life that they actually want, design a business that fuels their life. So here's the part no one talks about. The final part, the final piece of the puzzle is you can post every day. You can have a killer funnel, a killer offer. You can DM people until your fingers freaking bleed. But if just one of these psychological triggers is missing, then you'll have hesitation, you'll get ghosted, and you'll get people who don't buy. You'll continue to be invisible and continue to be outbeat from all the different competitors out there. So if you want to stand out, if you want to create content that actually achieves these 3 triggers, that gets people pre-sold and ready to buy before the call, then hit that link down below. I walk you through the $1 million easy mode marketing blueprint, which is a blueprint in every step you need to take to build out this system, to create content just like this, and to actually help people impact lives, but also get clients consistently. That is the important thing. We want to serve and not sell. Because when we serve, guess what? People want to be with us. We create demand, and people want to start working with us. So if you want to create content like this, you want to replace the funnel, replace your complicated ads and expensive ad accounts with content that actually attracts and pre-sell clients every single day, week, and month of the year, and all you need to do is coach, is create content, and live your life, then hit that link down below. You can download the Lead Magnet absolutely for free. If you want to check out more videos on this, go to my channel. I got tons of resources that you can watch on this exact thing, and go kill it out there, guys. This is amazing. Really, really proud of this. So hopefully you guys enjoy it. Put in the comments what you like about this video. If what you think about the Lead Magnet, love to hear your perspective, what you got out of this, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.